How to fix Discord email verification. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps, and on apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Discord. When you found it, just open it and go directly to storage. On storage, click on clear data, click OK and go back. I click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another videos.